Good afternoon, everybody. I don't usually make videos, but today I'm working on my 2007 Avalanche, replacing the front struts. If you have patience, you can do it by yourself, and it's not as hard as people say it is. All you got to do is really have the right tools and the right sockets. My old ones have 18s that hold the top of the strut and 15s at the bottom. The new ones have only 15. So I'm using the new nuts on the new strut. And let's get to it. I've already broke it loose. It was pretty easy to break loose on the right side. I already did the left side. So bear with me, and it shouldn't take that long. I'm using my Ryobi battery operated drill impact to help me out. I got bad arms. Loosen the bottom. Bear with me. Got to be safe, and always prop your vehicle up for safety. Looks like somebody had already changed the struts before, because this side's got a nut on it. Other side had clips. Alrighty. So let me get up to the top and see if I can get the top off. And I'll show you how easy it is to get off. A lot of people say it's real difficult. They're taking the wheel hub and everything off. Let's see if I can get to it to take it off. This one's a little bit more difficult because it has all your hoses in the way. So let's see here. Oh. Bear with me. Got to get my ratchet and a long extension. We'll still try to use my impact. Let's see how it works. Well, that's one. That's 2. Working on the last one because you only have 3 at the top. Let's see here. Just gotta find it. Okay. Sorry about the video because it's so hard. You need like 3 or 4 hands to really operate the phone, and so you can get a good video. But you heard the noise. I got all 3 out. Okay. Alright, now I'm just gonna take the bottom ones off after I find what I need. I think it's under here. Okay. We also have to use the original bolts because my new ones didn't send any. Okay. Had to get the bolt out because it will not come off. So that's crappy. What did I do with it? Okay. The way I got the first one off was I pushed pressure on the control arms and it came right out. There you go. She is down. You definitely got to have good arms because if not, you ain't getting it out. All right, what the heck is that? That's a washer. I don't know what that goes with. Had to move my block. It's in the way. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There you go, folks. And this just pops off. That's your nut that goes on the new one. Okay. Let me get my little screwdriver. Be right back. So this is my new one that comes with the nuts already. So on my other side, these nuts fell right off. Okay. Do not take the center nut off. It's on pressure. It releases the spring and it will kill you. I use my bar to steady it while I get the nuts on. Was a little difficult because I'm due for surgery first part of February. So I wanted to get this done before all that happens. Put it back in the same way you took it off. Okay. That's why I say you gotta have really good arms because the freaking thing is heavy. Okay. You gotta have eyes in the back of your head to line the friggin' bolts up. There we go. There we go. Okay. Bear with me. Whew. And I put pressure again on the control arm and the bottom popped right in. Got one nut on. I ran them all the way down so it almost touches. There's two. Now the only socket you need is a 15, because that's what all the new ones are. There's that. Popped in. Just gotta line it up now. Okay. Well, there's one. Now, okay, almost. Okay. And of course, it never wants to line up the way it should. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Getting the last bolt in is A little bit more than the other one was. Okay. Okay, there we go. And all we got to do is tighten it down. This is my old one. And thanks for anybody that watched the video. Appreciate it.